I will be showing you how to I'm thinking how to open anybody's channel on on your web browser on your computer. So my computer that I'm using is a Chrome OS computer, and it is the same thing for other computers. Let's say Windows or any other OS. So what we'll do is we have to go into our browsers to do it. We can't do it on our YouTube apps. So let's just go into our browsers. And to do it, you should then go to the plus, and this tab is right now you turning the tablet into the capture card right now. So what we'll do is we'll just click the plus button. And after that, you should then search for youtube.com. You have to search for the YouTube website. I'm going to search for the website, and what you have to do is you have to put a /, and then next you should put the channel name that you want to open. So I want to open Greenlight 7009, so then I have to put I have to click it again. Green.
Right, so we have a lot of those. Even leave out renewal probability, just CSM TAM and this one. So I think that 490, first of all 970 coming to 490, 490 coming down further. Let's see when we put the CSM TAM, there needs to be a CSM to triage, right? If not, issue is sellability to CSM.
Green.
Okay.
Light.
Must be the case.
7009.
So let's
and after launching it, click enter. You can see
I'll also take a look at this Excel.
it's saying this page isn't available, and if you can't find it, then click this search bar over here. You see the search bar? So click on that, and then next type in the channel that you want to open. So green light 7009. And after that, click your enter button.
Refinement or nothing is going to be possible.
And can you see?
Bandwidth constraints, so we are not going to be.
It's launched a channel.
And she will understand.
So this trick might be useful. You can see all green light. There is one video. There is videos of green light 7009, and since I'm using a tablet, there's so much lag. Like, can you see? There's so much lag. So let me just go down to the channel, and it works on any channel here. So can you see? You can see it. You can see everything of that green light 7009 has. So can you see? Can you see everything that green light 7009 has? And like I've seen this channel, Enderman over here. See Enderman? And my computer is not only a mouse cursor moving, but also a touch screen. What we'll do is we'll just exit out of that and go back into the plus, and I want to just quickly show you. It will work on anyone. youtube.com /in man, and after I click enter, oh no, maybe if I do youtube.com /, that will then click enter 98776. Let's try that now. Oh, it's not available. And 98776. It's not coming. Let's close it again. Oh, it's not working. I guess no, it's not like that. And if it comes up with the wrong channel, let's say I watched that normal Enderman, and this is a wrong Enderman. So what we can do is we can then again search it again. And next what we'll do is it will then work. So can you see the channel is working? It's working. And the cool thing about this is you can do it on your CPU. So like if you have a CPU that looks like something, let me just show you here. If you have a CPU that looks like this, so I have it in pen up somewhere. That's my drawing app, so I have it over here somewhere. So let me just draw a CPU to show you what CPU I'm talking about. Let me just switch it to the full screen just for better drawing experience. And what I'll do is I'll show you it. So it's like a CPU like this and has USB. And then HDMI and a power button over here on the CPU itself, and also I'm thinking what else it will have. A VGA port, okay, so that's all. And lastly, a DVI port. And this trick will also work on this kind of CPU, this kind of computer over here. And let's just go back to the screen mirroring. Okay, let's now switch it back. Okay, there we go now. What we'll do is we just, instead of saying Enderman, it's saying Endermanch. Maybe it's doing the wrong thing, but it's still showing it here. So that will work, and it doesn't break your computer. So can you see, like my system is still free, it's working. Can you see? My YouTube app on the system is still working. So it doesn't break your system. And the system that I'm using, I'm going to show you. So the system that I'm using is this system over here. It's a Chromebook _ H169. And how I enabled it, camera, and I use a profile icon. So this thing is very well useful for you, and I will you can don't subscribe.